Welcome back. Kevin's Mobile Repair. 2015 Ford F-150 with a 3.5 turbo, doing some spark plugs. Pretty simple job. This upper cover, that bad boy, comes off. You will need to take off the oil filter cap in order to get off all the way. Plugs are pretty simple. They're going to be 10mm bolts for the coils, and the connectors have to come off. There's not enough pull on them to leave them connected as you take them off. There's going to be little red lock tabs that I use a little pick to pop them loose, and then you can get in there with a screwdriver, or use that same pick and go on the inside of the connector and pop it loose. The driver's side is going to have the high pressure fuel pump. It's got a little cover on it, a little piece of foam. I disconnected the connector for the pump so that I could get that coil out of the way a whole lot easier. Passenger side, nothing really any different, same stuff. Just disconnect your connectors, coils come out, and the socket is going to be a 5/8. Now this got a 5/8 12 point with a magnet and a really long throw on there, which is just enough to get it high enough so that you don't bust your knuckle on anything when taking it out. But that is what I used. You can use a couple extensions, a couple 2-inch or 3-inch extensions, and get it high enough. But those are the old sparking plugs right there. But pretty simple. Go and clear any codes after you're done, and away you roll.